I've been trying to record this fucking intro for 10 minutes and this loud ass dog keep barking. Look at the background though. It looks so organized besides that. Got the big snake cage, the little snake. Gotta put something down there. Then we got all this y'all know right there. Then we got the tegus. Then we got the turtle tank being empty right now. And when this is completely empty, I gotta refill it by hand, carrying jugs and shit, cause we ain't got no hose up here. Goddamn. And then, eventually when we get some more money, we're gonna get some caiman in here and we're gonna put the baby snapper in there with like two baby caimans like this big. But for now, man, shit looking good. I've been getting a lot of comments. They said the turtle tank, the little ass turtle,
that's this big.
In
a tank that's this big.
The tank is too small for him. Y'all can shut the fuck up. And then they said the tarantula tank. Bro, do y'all know what people keep tarantulas in?
In little boxes like this that I've seen. Yeah.
Literally something a little bigger than this. So like, I don't know. I don't pay much attention to it. I just tell people to shut the fuck up, but lately I just been.
But also, this is what I said. I just got into the reptile community. It's not anything to look up. What are animals supposed to be kept in? And then see a bunch of.
If you literally just look up tarantula enclosure, you'll see what people keep these animals in. I ain't gonna speak too much on it, man. I know I do shit right around here. Let's get into the day. Real Nigga Vlog, episode 4. We finna go return these bogus ass humidifiers we bought. She look mad. We finna go return these bogus ass humidifiers. Go buy some real ones. Go buy a whole bunch of shit. Just time to spend money. Not saying Petco is the standard of animals. But look at what this tarantula's in. I fucking hate y'all. YouTube, so just going around doing some maintenance. I added a light bulb to Cuddle's cage and got her cage. I'm gonna remove that heat pad now that she has that up in here though. Now I'll probably just leave it. And then I gotta add a bulb in there. Let's do that. There we go. Man, I gotta get this little fish out of here. Yeah, I already took the snapper out. He chilling right there for now. Take the fish out, put him back in there. I gotta fill their water up after I change his water though. Okay, and back here. Back here, I just gotta clean this shit up. Look at this, man. Just a hot mess. All type of tegu shed, wrappers, cause he crawls over there and fucks that up. He shit it again. He knocks all the wood chips. Well, we moved most of them, but he knocked all that out. And then I want to give him a hide box back here, maybe like right there, where he could go in there and chill out. Probably give him a light right there. I don't know, but y'all know this is the tegu's enclosure, this whole room. And sometimes it's really weird and it's not that safe. He be up here. And I know they not gonna fight. They haven't before. Like I've seen them in the water together. That shit weird, but I just gotta be, for safety precautions, separate them. I'm gonna fix Bubba cage soon. Alright, so now I'm gonna show y'all. Baby tegu cage is real dirty. And they not babies no more. What's up? What's up, girl? Come on. Come on. I don't know if y'all ever seen the tegu cage empty, but here it is. It's about 4.5 feet total. And then we're gonna add the rest of that pretty soon. Cause there they are back there, chilling out while I clean. They grew way faster than I expected. So this cage is still doing good for now. But in like 2-3 months, they're gonna be even bigger and need an even bigger cage. So what I'm finna do now, here's the sauce. We had Aspen at first. We're not using that no more, so what I'm about to do, check on the turtle tank. I was washing off a rock. And now we're gonna switch to some better bedding. Oh! There we go. So we use this on the tortoises. We also got this humidifier for the tortoises, but we're gonna put this bedding. Where are you going? No. Come on. Come in here. Oh, go that way. We're gonna put that in there with the iguanas too. He crazy. Alright, so it looked better already. And Anissa said he just went right in there. And she's still right here adventuring. Clean off one more rock for them niggas. But for now, she's scared herself. What's right there? The snake skin? Yeah. She thought that shit was a snake.
Yo, that's crazy.
I think they like it. Alright, next up, the baby iguanas. Baby albinos. What's up? What's up? What about you? What's up? What's up? They be getting fruit and shit all on their body. So they make a mess of this. A real mess. But this finna look way better. Alright, so y'all saw the before cage of the iguana. Here is their cages now. And then I was just misting their cage. Misting them down. So mostly the substrate. Cool. Gotta get them some water. Yeah. And then down here with the little snapping turtle. His cage is all down. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see. I'm trying to find one. There's one right there. Gave him some little ghost shrimp. What's up, dude? What's up? So now I got 3 things left to do. 4 actually. Gotta put water in this big tank. Take water and refill Bubba's tank. Add Bubba's heater after that. I bought her a new aquarium heater because hers broke. And then we could do the tortoise right now because that's the easiest. We're just gonna set up their humidifier. All right, last thing before we take a break. I wired this. I'm gonna bring it up some more. I gotta get a pin or something right there and bring this up so that it stays against there. But they not gonna go up there to chew that. And it's through this. Let me fix that. All right, there we go. And so the humidity gonna come out of there. And that's their hide box. In their hide, this will hold the most humidity. Oh shit. I made these just in case it get too humid. But for now, yeah. It'll be like that. And this will hold most of the humidity, but it'll also come out here. And if I need to, I could always just do this. So, yeah, man, decent. Alright, so I lied. We gonna take a break. She just be working so damn hard. I love her. But I'm gonna take a break after I put some water in this fucking tank. Doing this shit manually is like crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting swole though. Y'all see that? Y'all see the abs? Barely. Y'all see the muscles though? Barely on that too. It's okay though. So, I'm finna start filling up this turtle tank. These turtles, I really like it. Oh, let me show y'all. He looks so cool. Big Papa! Look at her. She's like, nigga. Big Papa. Hey. 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 What's up? Y'all like the substrate? And they are always together. Lovebirds. Let me point their light over there on them rocks. Okay, so between these and the buckets, I'm gonna get 10 reps in. And then after that, I'm gonna roll up a blunt. What you say? What you say?
You don't talk to me about how you appreciate me.
Oh, stop.
Why are you trying to expose me? Get out of my face.
Oh, abuse. She throwing shit at me too, see?
Pick it up.
Nine more of these and we done. All right, so now we gonna do the back room. I don't have no clothes on, so I'm gonna show y'all. Let's go ahead, since we in the back room, finish move Bubba's lights out, then the platform, and show y'all how it looks with nothing in here. All right, now I'm draining that water out. And then I'm gonna take Bubba's pond out. We're gonna clean the whole room. Put down 2 tarps so he can't get under the tarps. And then show y'all what we done. Excuse the mess, but he always goes under there, so I'm thinking I'm gonna block wood off and just give him a little hiding spot where he could go right there, under there. Perfect for that. The water levels are getting higher for you. Pick the camera up in a minute because the landlord came. Y'all could tell the water's way clearer right now. Shit. We got to get a new LED light. That bitch over there in the corner broke. But yeah, man. Almost done. YouTube, after the water sets, it's going to look way better. But I just did all this shit myself. Y'all saw the water was down there. So now I think they're gonna be some happy turtles. Let me fix their dock. You can drop some food in there. Let's put some food in there for the kiddos. Where's the other turtle at? Can't even see over there. That's why we need to get the LED up here. Y'all gonna be able to see everything again. This is a new room. Still a few spots. Those was there when we got here though. That wasn't. That's table shit. But yeah. Oh, we gotta clean that out still, but Anissa really did a good job cleaning this up. There we go. Now we just gotta clean that out before we bring him back. But I'm gonna do Bubba's corner first. A little bit different. So the final, we took all that garbage and shit out. He back in there. And then there's Bubba. I definitely gotta put something from there around there. But for now, I'll just leave the water a little bit lower so that she can't get out as easy. Probably take out a little bit more. That's Bubba. Chilling like a villain. It's the red table. Mean as a motherfucker. Oh, he's curious. Alright, man. I really appreciate all the support. We done went from 300 to 460 subscribers. And literally, I'm just talking about was bust my shit, babe. But we just went from 300 subscribers to 460 in less than a week. So I appreciate y'all.
Thank you.
Shout out to all y'all. Cause I don't ask y'all to subscribe. Y'all just do that shit, so. That's the end of the vlog.